my wonderful people of Ndobekai, Ona dey see am, Governor Igbo has done it again. No be yesterday morning, we do video. Say this man no dey stay Imo State, na why they no fit tackle this insecurity where they fit tackle am. There is so much people will do. Jeruma Abuhozi. Dadam Dorothy Ekelenem, Garobina Go Carlos, Dan Jeruma Abuhozi. Go for me, no be message. You need to be there and be doing it yourself if you want something to function the way you like. You cannot be sending people to do things for you and then get shocked when that thing is not up to your standard or taste. No. What happened to Izoga and the Umaloma, though they deserve them, just like I call people now, we keep quiet. The day where they go one bring security now, this same thing go repeat there. They don't give them the iPod BSM quick out to take now. Nobody go still talk. And governor no go still go there. Governor no go still go there. Yesterday, where we just talk this thing finish. Fiam, where you go? Go welcome Super Falcons. Waiting be your business with Super Falcons. Waiting be your business with Super Falcons when you could have been, where resolving this issue. If they create steady patrol, helicopter, if helicopter is too expensive for patrol these days, nobody does area patrol with helicopter unless you don't know how to minimize cost. Even a drone, waiting it won't cost you. The cost of flying a helicopter over like 4 or 5 local governments, you will use it to fly a drone over the whole state. At least devote time to your state and work well. I don't know between him and Wike, who is the FCT minister now. The FCT minister was probably working in the office, and the governor of a state that is how many miles away went to welcome Super Falcons. Person wey fire dey burn for your house. Let me even greet my people this morning. Daniel Saga, I see you. Don Lady G. Carlo. Tony Emeka. Well done, my brother. Get sense Igbo. I'm Obi Chukwu. Honor. One day can it's been long ago. My people, please hit the like button and share this video. They like them or they don't like them, who go still they tell them the truth. Only na like you. If you don't like it, prove us wrong by working. No be so. Well done, Subara Falabi Nuruddin. I see you. I go buy them military. If you don't like it, prove us wrong. And if we are lying, tell us we are lying. I've been on hologram. We see drones can even drop missions. Of course. The beauty of the modern drone now, in fact, you don't even need to buy drones that will carry munitions. You just buy all these suicide drones. Shahid, Lancet, Geran 2, or Geran. All of these things can be acquired at a very cheap rate. Instead of buying munitions and the carrier, the plane or helicopter, or even a drone, you just buy that suicide drone. Now, check the cost of one artillery shell. Check the cost of that vehicle. Maybe if they are running, check the cost of the vehicle. You see that if you are using something like a Shahid 1, Shahid 2, Lancet 2, Geran 2, all of any of these now, how much will it cost you? How much is the cost of that vehicle? So you don't need to be looking for another, because in modern warfare, if it's urban warfare, you need smart bombs. So how much is a smart bomb and how much is a suicide drone? It will follow the target wherever it is. Wherever it's going, it will follow it. You don't need to send it, just hit it where. You already have the data, everything stored somewhere. Very simple. But governor go there in state now, they feel the pain of the people to even do that one. So why go to the police na DSS fuel na tank first? Let there be enough patrol vehicle first, okay, we na come get the road. But he go run, fear, go work on super focus. Now you be sports minister. You are not the sports minister. You are not the FCC. You know they see Zulum. Zulum no say in get problem for a state. Look at on they fight Unwa baby, all these chihuahuas. Chihuahua terrorists. You they fight Chihuahua terrorists. You know state be like this. Zulum where they fight men terror for Borno state. You they see them, they live in post. They go all this jamboree. You see, no be Zulum, they dodge. I go use and do video again. That one I show. I'm okay with the China content. What's our church? I go show on that video where Zulum, they dodge bullets with soldiers, front line like this. This one's go to fire. Governor like for ground. This one no go even visit where those people don't do go finish. Other than in Imo State, we are talking about the visit. We have a very useless opposition. We don't have opposition in Imo State. We have no opposition in Imo State. Never. No single opposition. All these will be opposition. Those LP people. That one can't have no opposition. PDP doesn't exist anymore. Most of them have morphed into APC in Imo State. So where is the opposition? Where is the opposition and the masses? Where you people will be focusing your anger. You see the danger of unnecessary and emotional criticism. There is nothing you will criticize him with that will hit. Why? You've wasted your bullets chasing shadows. You've wasted everything. No be because of una hatred for una go support ESN now. Who they cry? Now who they cry? If you are now the boy who cried wolf. You are now the boy who cried wolf. When wolf never come on, I don't they shout wolf, wolf, wolf. Now wolf don't come. Wait till I want to do again. The politicians so now they support. Now them even set up these boys. Of which even hope Uzodinma follow go now they cannot place. True or false, I will still use that one do video. Video many. Videos many. Antimu Mabechi when them cake email. Hela Richard na see you Amadi Oha TV Abubakar Sadiq Usman. Fear on this zog is a and I may say if we can on this zog a break unu no mbunu na ngupeka oat. Shebi all of on a day here waiting they give on a village people kweka oat waiting I tell on at that time. Then make I wear my glass. I no shout. They no insult me. On I no get out on these other people with the social media. No, now it's operation hold your place. So hold your side, I hold my side. Like I they tell on if they like make them burn down the full amount of I no go put mouth. So far they know near that we do. And we go down here again is you know. Ine ezuzi ya n'iro, ine ezuzi ya n'outside. Ega gide ha na-agafe ha n'ụmụ na. Ihe awụghị wuru ezi isu. Ihe awụrụ woge wuru oburu ọgba. Ma oburu ụmụarụ. Just a side ya. Ifuru ebe ndị nke ọzọ niile, ọsọkwa amụghị ya ọkụ na aga afụ ka ntere ọnụ. Ka ọfọzi izu ọgụ makwa ebe izu ọgụ nọ. Ndị izu ọgụ onweghị mmadụ. Ọ ndị amị kun na-enweghị ọkọ ndị polisi kun na-enweghị. Everybody face their place. Why are they focus on this one now? Say, na him be the head where they go blame. Now, no go say, you never get enough time. One full tenor don't finish. The second tenor don't the near half. Yes. He never finish. And all of them believe say they go do as they like. If they do anyhow finish, they will go retire peacefully. Nobody go ask them anything. And not true. Unless you change them for this generation, tell them say una no go sleep if we know they sleep. Okay? All of them dey. The Ingo say we no give am program. You went from Aaron this up. The Imo State Governor, Governor Ike, would he say we have not given them program on how to use messaging to reach the people? How to set up radio in Imo State that the message will go everywhere. By now, that same message will have reached to Anambra and Enugu at the very least. Ingo say na Laimo na ask them, Spencer self writing home. No con, it's a lie. Spencer and Emmanuel follow right. I still get a copy. So how you go take spread the message? If the people were supposed to provide the logistics, no provider. Person tell them they pay. Them happen to God bless unknown government. So if you dey blame your governor for that one too. 2021. Ingo say na lie. Spencer own like ending of 2022. Yes. Spencer and Enwelu from Ogidi, he wrote his own. Yes. Mona asked Spencer that. Hello. Di Chinelo. Chinelo, no Chinelo. So now, how I go they here, they send message to your people where they inside village. No be on our way be job people for the year on transmit the message to them. Message where they transmit to them, the opposing message, the destructive message, then they receive them every day. Do you know the effect of constant messaging? All these hyper BSM bingos, they know exactly how to use propaganda. They corner everybody, every radio TV station. No be Imo State, I go do program, they talk about IPOB, the manager don't come, stop the program. You know happen for an face, you know the video no dey my page. The video no dey my page. Oga, your leaders hate you. The people who una they defend. From Peter Obio, you dey hear me so? From Peter Obio, go reach that one way from your village. They hate you. You are telling me that these people cannot meet the president and say, please, we are ready to resolve this. You want to tell me that Governor Ike, as he's in Abuja, will not tell the president, please, you go beg president to get audience with defense minister or NSA. How? Of course, the federal government should stop giving the Southeast governor security votes. Invest it directly into the DSS, into the army, into the navy, into the police, directly. Bypass these politicians. All of them have shaken hands with Nnamdi Kanu one time or another, including Governor Ike. Blessed them, I beg, help me send that picture. Because that one will be a special video on his own. So we don't know who is who now. Why we don't have evidence of them directly giving them money, their actions betray what they are saying. Yes. So me and you will be civilian know where these people that governors no know. Is that what you are trying to tell me? You see all these their fake quarrel where they quarrel. You know they reach that their Biafra thing. No? You see church and their Biafra. Now two ideologies where they use the whole on. If they fail to catch you with Biafra, they go carry and go religion. And waiting go save us from these people and those two destructive ideologies. One, we go learn how to calculate with our own head, not our heart. You understand? Use your head very well. No be say your priest go tell you do this. Because you are Catholic, he say that he say lie. Your priest probably there for percentage. In the south is what our people are concerned with the naming of bus stop. Don't mind them. No, no, how na work. Now Charlie boy bus stop will be their problem. Your place don't finish. You say okay, complete ghost town. Complete ghost town. Nobody, no government. Any way they say they know they go anywhere. On Monday, sit at home. As Governor Mba enter, how far? Make person go observe sit at home for Enugu on Monday, make I see. What does that show you? Okay, look at Anambra State, for instance. Every market will close on Monday. Why don't the state governor say, okay, we are dissolving the entire market leadership. Everybody now deal directly with the office of the governor. The day task force, you have a special task force that will go and be collecting the revenues. A collection of revenue is not a problem. Since they say, oh, the chairman and the president of the market are afraid, so they don't buy the well, they move the position. Since you can't hold it, of what essence is it? Of what essence is it having such a position? When you can't even defend it, me now, market leader, person go say, make I come close that market to move the thunder go fire you, now your grave, they will close that. Kesha also and the people of also have started defending themselves. Of course. Is Anambra State is no longer what? All these markets are not opening on Monday, are opening on Mondays. Is that what you mean? Main market, relief market, Mbuka, and Azu Monday. Yeah. Guys, please hit the like button and share the video. They no go like this video. Please try and make it, like it, make it go viral. Cut and share for your own page. Download them. This one is under attack. Download it. Me, I no copyright any of my work. I no copyright anyone. Use them, share them everywhere. Cut and put for your TikTok. Do what you want to do. Make the money chopper. Just spread the message. We need to change our thinking pattern. We need to think along class lines. You see all this political class and this religious class, they don't care about you. If you like, be their party member, liar, they don't care about you. If you like, be their church member, you are a liar. Nobody should call my line, no. I beg go more than person no try mo. Mother anwakwana awakpom na phone again. Phone ring kwana again or bro number ga block kwana me. Bless them, send me this picture of Uzodinma and then the canon and we'll do second video. I will make I go use my hand find myself. Wait. Let me can record it here. They need to start answering questions now. When you visited him, whatever you believed then, do you still believe it now? And you understand? You are just asking questions. You are just asking questions. Mother disturb Kwanameva. You need to go. I need to bring this thing. Where is that photo? I'm looking for the photo. This thing where they say that they blackmail and blackmail. I'm not sure this is a blackmail anymore. Because for how long will somebody blackmail you? Before you snap out of it. I'm coming, guys. This one first now, your owner, all on our governors. See them. No be una leaders with this with Ekperima. No be una leaders with Ekperima be this. No be una Ekperima be this. Hapụrụ anyị onye oshi nke anyị. They shall say security. Anyway, I go find the picture later. Use do. Somebody say, Henry Chimeze, maybe you didn't know I'm on. Please, those short videos, just share it on this one and the new page. Let's use it to keep the new page busy before the 60 days. You know, this page is too dull because for long no one was using it. That one before the 60 days, let's be able to have traffic there. And we'll move our video to that side. My people, my wonderful people, we need counter propaganda against both dangerous ideologies, Biafra and fake prophets, and arrange miracles. Happy leave people who say they in the island, they do arrange. You see that miracle where they say they do for island, they will come repeat it for court. Me, I don't file them as evidence now. Shebi judge say make them bring all the everything, even the question and the petition. Now for that place I call them fraud, and that place I call them arrange. With the banner, he go come repeat that will happen for Ireland, and we go petition Irish government say make them check what happen for their place. They don't see anything. All of them they work together. Case one, I don't know. All of them are in it together. What about Gentle the Yahoo? See, why are they carry Gentle for mouth? More than leave that guy alone. Chinasa Nko. Sapele no day. Benjamin no day where all these people, no where all these people day. Now what you want to tell me? Benjamin want boo. It's boo guy man, the only guy man where they amongst them. You know where all these people day. Now Gentle na one carry for head. Now Gentle matter on one carry for head. No only Gentle na see. Sapele their DOS, all these ones where they with them, and I know they see them. Why the oppression they go only one corner, Simon Ekbasai, Simon Ekbasai? Why you know they go this other people's side? See, the day when are ready to fight this thing, they fight at once. But if na make una they do one corner, it's a lie. Una go make even some of us now go they give them to information now. Some people go begin give no respect on herself. If una won't fight them, fight both. Fight both of them. You say it too they worry for social media. Between the one where they worry for social media and the ones where they worry secretly. No between us and where we bring 7 and 8 northerners. When una the hear say yes, some Fulani people they shoot. Almost the side, all those things. Say I hear the language. Yes, Nachina some way important them. Why Gentle? Oh, I know the hear China some way. Gentle. Low Melun again. Kayo Merendos on me. Gentle or quad no be so boy. The same he so one and they call hero. If he so is a hero, how is Gentle not a hero? He also is you people's hero. Yes, na Gentle na in second in command, assistant hero. For now. It's just gentle boys. Who tell you say Chinas and Wegu boys know they deal with your kick for them for Kigwe? No, before that place they arrest the one where do confession. No, before that they arrest the one where do confession. Why only one side? Why only one side? Can you know Jagara one corner? The other corner uncle. They will say security there and the community. All those security owners see for that community where they know the attack. Now their people. Respect to Kwano. Before na chawa nkunu gasi na nku. Okay? Yes, na ikonso na hero, na gentle na assistant hero. Governor Ike Obodo, will he say he doesn't know? Keye Jagari here once organ no where we mara kenem. He go first day the state first now before he go know wetin go do. No be Abuja ide. Mo na kuku make am FCT minister. Give us Wike. Wike deal with these people for Igbo. Na so he suppose deal with them for Imo State. For Igbo, Wike no select anything. Me block 108. Dara. Mukuku. Kuku make your Uzodinma FCT minister. Give us Wike. At least he has ruled an oil producing state before. He knows how to rule Imo State, rich in oil and gas with other resources. River State, them get sole administrator, still is safe past the ones we get governor. So no be bad thing. However peace comes, we will take it. Okay? Igwe Butuzo na Sapele no be the same position than they. Eh? Yeah. They stand for CJL. Why are you like this? Be sure you are not making a mistake. Despite everything you know, you are becoming a cheap tool in the hands of a payee. Who? So somebody is paying me now. They stand for. I had to be disappointed in Okwu. I had to be disappointed in Okwu. So he believe in a mother that come over. Kono di n'Imo State ya. Kedu onye sendiri n'Imo State a oyiwu anyanwụ nwụrụ na TV na ndị otu ya. Of course, I told him the truth. You want to make noise in Igbo land, Hadel and Enix. Tell us all the contracts we receive from the federal government. Now, waiting the first some of our further house there. Me, I know. And I said it on purpose. How can he be using this IPOB to do nonsense? They gave you chairmanship of Ohanes Ndi. At a time, you should be using your position to talk to the president on how to bring security. You are there talking about to free Nnamdi Kanu. Why should I leave you? Why? Nkwo ya jowa nji wekwe maka gini. So ana akuzi mu ugona. Really? Okay. No problem. Nsogbu adịghọ. Don't worry. Unu waji power. Na-emenu ihe unu ji with power ka na-emekwenu nke nji with power nke m. Ana akuzi mu ugona mụa. Ha. They stand for that and disappointed. Ngwa na-ekwu ihe. Ngwa na-ekwu ihe. Okay. Nsogbu ana. Ka anyị na-aga n'ubi ka ọ ka na-aka mana unu makwa na adamatụ mmadụ egwu. Mmekwuchakwu ya akwa unu kpọrọ m onye ara. Don't worry, ka anyị sazi unu ara. Ka anyị sazi unu ara na. All me Bible will answer you. More na call on a pastors. Made them una see say their prayer no dey work now. Make una call on a pastors. Gwa ha kpewe ekpere o. Ha kpewe. Ha kuwishi na road wey na door. Make them the road for dust. Go climb mountain. Roll off. Fall inside the river Jordan. Mewe miracle on island. Ha kpewe here ha go if you go na that walk. Don't worry. He said because he said they should just stop it. Yes, now also gentle. Ke ihe bụ mgbe ọbụla gentle. E prefer para m onye na-ekwu ekwu n'ọnụ dan ndị na-adaghị ekwu na-eme mpụ niile. Ndị niile a na-efu na Anambra steeti akwa gentle na-eme. Na gentle go release order onye Kechukwuma wey they arrest put for SARS ọkụzụ SARS so everybody dey fear. Really? Na gentle. So na gentle they control all the Orumba South and Orumba North camp, abi? Now what do you mean? Na gentle they control Orumba South and Omunze. Wetin be name MCA1. The one once wey dey their village wey scatter na gentle or where? Make una leave this selective truth. Unu chọ ikwu nke bụ eziokwu, kwuo nke bụ eziokwu. Unu chọ ịgbasa steeti, unu egwuo ka ijere unu aka gbasa ya. Get this nonsense of selective justice. Nkwe na asị na na-akwụ m ụgwọ. Paid by who? Ihe dị ọha who? Who? When I was opposing Ajero, when he was trying to interfere with labor in Imo State, who was paying me to do that one? When I was calling out Ajero for leaving Kogi and Bayelsa states that are paying less minimum wage, who paid me to do that one? Obitego side unu na ọgụ na na-akwụ m ụgwọ maka asị m unu akpọzina so gentle na aka nkụ na-eme akwa gentle na control mbi itoolu shee na gentle de ụmụ n'ọha na gentle de ụmụ n'ọha nụnụ gentle na gentle de oyi unu na-achọ na ịgwanụ m na we need somebody in the form of Wike ya pịara awọ pịara mbara. We need Wike type in Imo State. Make him the sole administrator. Since Uzodinma governor Ike Igbo, since you love Abuja so much, buru no FCT minister, jide no Abuja. You didn't see any other thing to indigenous bill. Really? It was really Abuja. See the quorum boom is any FCT minister. When they could do you know indigenous bill, you don't need them, you just become FCT minister. Neni anu hapu gentle onye okada, hapu sapele, nchuwa gentle onye okada. But sapele is there. The remnant of his own people are at Umunoha. Mano gentle, ndo tu parking stop, no ndi no Umunoha na. Ndo tu ke nka ndi nke ngo ọkpala side mba anọ and Mbise side ha. Ichaka. Some of them are there. The remnant of Banga boys, that even the ones that were in Asaba, they still go there and still go back to Asaba. All gentle kunu gebunishi. See, nature is not stupid. If you want to tinker with it, it will tinker with you. You people could have arrested gentle now, but maybe it's because of this selective fact. Nature says it's a lie. We need to balance it. Maybe not through Sapele, then go take catch gentle, but when I know nobody they even mention Sapele name. Many of you, if Sapele pass you like this, now you don't know. Meanwhile, Benjamin Umaru can provide Sapele now. Has there been any effort from these people to bring back Chinasa Nwewu? I thought they've closed the one. No, some of them now ran away. Some of them ran away. They've now returned, but they can't go to Ngo and Mbise side. Then be totally local. See him be totally sweet over. The governor joined in welcoming and rewarding. Like, did you see Zulum there? Is he going there to welcome them as the sports minister or as the FCT minister? Doesn't he have any other thing to do? So there is no other thing he could use his time for. This thing that happened, what's the distance between Owerri and the Idato? What's the distance between Owerri and the Idato? Idato is even in his own senatorial zone. Remember. And I'm not blaming only him. Rochas is the political godfather from there. We've not heard anything from him. All the political heavyweights in Olu zone, where are you? He said Butus and Gentle, they one side. So then they call Butus and Gentle, they know they call Sapele and Tinas and Wewu. Stanford on a day they are feeding that as no one they butere her back again. Only years old are he mean. Yes, they've won the tournament. So what has that got to do with security and insecurity? Yes. Ordinary people, they jump up for football. You, governor self, leave your own state. Just stack all the problems you think he jumped and went to that one. We decided not that the Yenga Mark, Izzo, Yamubanza, Omo Aloma, nonsense. Nkano Abanza Mutu, Iseke, no Anambra Kodi. Not knowing the Eba they make Imo State affect. It's the beltway. Dana Semo Mako Omer again. Amnesty, this one, amnesty number what? Amnesty number what? Nka number again. Even he left the amnesty, these people said they are doing. So Falcons winning the trophy is more important than that also project, right? Ihe na agwanu munu. Agwa munu lock unu enwe opposition. Unu enwebeghị ezigbo opposition, they are not hitting the target well. All lock unu nwere. Mana ajọ nwaanyị tidi ya na ọdịgo ka ọ ya adị. Ọdịgo ka ọ ya adị. Ka anyị na-enwe all morning video every day until you people fix that Igbo state. Morning video every day until governor starts staying in nowhere. Enwebedi ihe unu for. My wonderful people, I thank you so much for joining me this morning. Please, if you are from Imo State, Biko, you have a time and you like Ronya or you like Ronya. You have a time, no, gentle kana, Mbana, we see Kugata phone. You are one side, or who other. You got to go. Diko obi ora ezigbo ọkwa aka m onye ọrụ eri ji ekwujere m abụghị ozi ọkwa anyị nwa ga-emeri ya onwe anyị emeghị enwekwa ego emeri anyị. These people hate you. Them hate you. He send you care. Send you care. Send who? You. My people, please, I made a short video with Governor Igbo Rants and Wike with Mr. President. Let's help me share it. It's one of the short videos. Help share it and spread it across to people. You can download them, share on your TikTok account. I have no problem with that. I don't report anybody that's using my work. Thank you so much for joining me this morning. But in the look out for even your politicians and the zoo of people. When I don't see Peter be the visitor now, onye ọbụla n'ime unu tụnyere ya vote ma ọ bụ sọpọtụọ ya one without him saying something about izu ọgụ, mmadụ unu dara ezigbo iberibe. Mmanụ unu dara ezigbo iberibe. Na akọghịrị.